Hello, Group 3, Team Life. This is Gustavo Perdomo from Bogota, Colombia, and I want to make this short video in order to show you a very novel idea that tries to assess the question of the study design depending on the phase study. And I have done some research in the literature, and some authors say that, like Dr. Schoenfeld, that the citation is going to be below the video. Dr. Schoenfeld says that sometimes it's common to find failed or negative results in phase 3 trials when we have before a positive or an successful phase 2 trial. And he says that the most common cause of this situation is that the phase 2 trials often have low power because of the small study sample. And he and other authors propose that we can make another study design that I want to show you, that is called the sequential parallel comparison design, and I want to show you a little bit of it. The main idea of this kind of study is that we have 2 stages of the study with 3 groups. One group is going to have placebo in the first stage and placebo in the second stage. The second group is going to have placebo in the first stage and then the drug or the intervention in the second stage. And the third group is going to have the drug intervention in both stages, in 1 and 2 stages. So, how we are going to conduct this trial? We have the 3 groups. Remember that the first one is always placebo, so in the first one we are going to have placebo. After the first stage, we have the responders and the non-responders. In the second group, we have placebo in the first stage too, so we have the responders and the non-responders. And in the third group is always drug or intervention. We have the responders and the non-responders. As we can see, the responders with the placebo are not important or maybe a bias to the study. So we want to eliminate these results. So in the second stage, we are not going to have into account these 2 groups, and we are going to do the second stage only with the non-responders. That ideally is the people who is going to respond to the drug or the intervention. So the non-responders in the group 1 is going to have placebo again in the second stage, and we have the responders and the non-responders. In the second group, we are going to work only with the non-responders, but we are going to administer the drug or the intervention in the second stage. We have the responders and the non-responders. And in the third group, we are going to have always drug in both stages, so we are going to have into account the non-responders. Then in the second stage, administer the drug, and we have the responders and the non-responders. This group is the population that respond to the drug treatment. So we are going to have, for the power of the study and for statistical analysis, these 6 groups, these 2 groups of here, 8, and these non-responders here and here. We have 10 groups that we are going to use in our statistical analysis. So this design study tries to reuse the own population in order to improve the power of the study. I hope that you can find this idea as novel as I am, and I'm very open to questions and further explanations. Thank you so much. Bye.